Hello children, you are welcome in this e-learning session. In this video, you will learn about the hardware components of a computer system. What is a computer system? A computer system is a set of integrated devices that input, output, process, and store data and information. A computer system has two main parts, hardware and software. Software refers to a set of programs that control the computer hardware parts and make them operational. It is classified into two categories, system software and application software. Hardware. Hardware are the physical devices of a computer system, which you can see and touch. For example, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Hardware is further categorized into two types, internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware. These are the physical devices of a computer system which are present inside the CPU cabinet. There are various types of internal hardware. Let us learn about these internal hardware. Motherboard. A motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. It is one of the most essential parts of a computer system. It holds many components of a computer, including CPU, memory, and connector for input and output devices. PCI, Peripheral Component Interconnect. PCI is a hardware bus used for adding internal components to a desktop computer. A PCI card can be inserted into a PCI slot on a motherboard of a computer. In earlier computers, PCI slots were present on the motherboard itself. But in latest computers, these cards are either integrated on the motherboard or connected with new technology like USB or PCI Express. Sound card. It is also known as audio card. It is connected on the motherboard, which is used for working with sound signals. It converts digital signals to sound signals. Video card. It is also known as graphics card. This card is also connected on the motherboard of the computer system. It sends graphical information to the visual display unit like monitor, projector or TV sets. Central Processing Unit. The CPU is the core of the computer system where all processing is done. The CPU is also called the brain of computer. In computer system, all major calculations and comparisons takes place inside the CPU. The CPU consists of the following parts: arithmetic logical unit, control unit, memory unit. What are the functions of the CPU units? Arithmetic logical unit. It performs the different types of mathematical calculations. Control unit. It controls and coordinates the activities of all other units of a computer system. Memory unit. It receives data, holds it, and then delivers it according to the instructions from the control unit. Random access memory. RAM is the central storage unit in a computer system. It is in the form of a chip. That is why it is called the main memory. RAM is also known as the read or write memory, as data can be read and returned to it. It is a temporary memory. What are the different types of RAM? Static RAM. It is the type of RAM in which data is lost when the power gets down due to volatile nature. Dynamic RAM. It is a type of RAM in which memory is refreshed continuously in order to maintain the data. Read-only memory. ROM is a permanent memory, so the contents of ROM are not lost even when the power is switched off and can be only read by the user. ROM also stores an initial program called Bootstrap Loader that has the instruction to start the operating system software once the power is turned on. What are the types of ROM? PROM, Programmable Read-Only Memory, a memory chip on which data can be written only once. This type of ROM can be programmed to store information. EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. This type of ROM allows a user to erase the information stored on the ROM chip and reprogram it again with new information. EPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory. This type of ROM can be reprogrammed and the contents can be erased electrically. Disk drive. It is a part of computer system which is used for storing or retrieving data on a storage device. The most common type of disk drive is hard drive. Hard disk drive uses magnetic technology for storing the information. CD drive uses laser technology for sharing data on a CD or DVD. SMPS, Switched Mode Power Supply. It is an electronic power supply which transfers electric power from a source AC means to a low voltage device DC. It ensures that proper power supply is available for the working of computer system before switching it on. Modem. It stands for modulator demodulator. It is mainly used to connect communication line with the computer system to transfer data. The function of this device is to convert digital signals to analog signals and analog signals to digital signals. Modem can be of two types, internal modem and external modem. Heat sink. It is an electronic device which is used to keep the central processing device cool. There are two types of heat sink, active and passive. Active heat sink incorporates fan and uses power supply to cool down the CPU temperature, while passive heat sink are made up of aluminium fine radiator that dispatches heat through convection. Ports. It is a connection point or interface between a computer and external or internal device. Different types of ports found in the computer system are serial port, parallel port, PS2 port, USB port, VGA port. Serial port. It is used to connect devices such as mouse and modem in which data is transferred in and out sequentially, one bit at a time. Parallel port. It is used to connect devices like printers which sends multiple bits of data at a time. PS2 port is round in shape with 6 pinholes in it. This is generally used in IBM computers for connecting keyboard and mouse. USB port, Universal Serial Bus. It is the latest technology which transfers the data as well as provide power to the connected devices. It can be used for connecting all types of devices. VGA, Video Graphics Array Port. It is a 15-pin connector used to connect video output devices like monitor, projector or TV sets. It is used to transfer analog video signals from PC to video device. This is all about internal hardware devices. I hope all of you understood it well. Thank you.